Your PB, your personal best? Yeah, it's huge. Can you try to stand up and let's see you measure it? Okay, ooh, it's huge. Oh man, it's super huge. That's a lunker. Okay. Puno na mo ito. May katoy, kasa. Bring it up here. Oh, don't too much. It's too low. Okay, like that. Okay. All right. Too low. Releasing up. Bring your rod up. That. Hold your rod.